Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In this video I will continue on the series of operational amplifiers. As I mentioned at the beginning, these devices were invented in order to perform mathematical operations, hence the name operational amplifier. So in this video I will show you the connections of the IC in order to make additions. Of course, what we will add are voltages. Here you can see the connections of the operational amplifier in order to add the two input voltages V1 and V2. Each one has its own resistor, and there is also a feedback resistor from the output voltage pin to the minus pin. And the output voltage will be given by this expression. It is important to note that here I have only two voltages to add, but we can put more resistors in order to add 2, 3, 4 or even more input voltages. Next time you need a PCB for your electronics project, consider using the professional services of JLCPCB. JLCPCB is the world leader in PCB fabrication. You can order online. You just need to register, upload your Gerber file, and wait a few days for your PCBs at an unbeatable price. Now, in this expression for the output voltage, we can use any value of resistors that we want. In particular, if you use the same value for the three resistors, R1, R2, and the feedback resistor, the expression simplifies to this. That is, the output voltage is the sum of V1 plus V2, only with opposite sign. So here is the circuit on breadboard. I am feeding the amplifier with two 9 batteries in series. So we have plus minus 9 volts, and the center of the two batteries goes to ground. I have this lithium ion battery. Let's check the voltage of the cell. It is 4.1 volts. And I also have these two AA batteries in series, and they give a voltage 3.2, 3.3 volts. So let's sum the two voltages. Okay, so let's connect the batteries to the inputs, which are these two resistors. Let me connect first the lithium ion battery, and it's the only voltage, so we have minus 4.1 volts. Disconnect, and now I will connect the other battery. There is the voltage. But now, if we connect the two batteries, the voltages will add, and there we have the sum of the two voltages. Of course, if we, for example, change the polarity of these batteries, let me change the connections. We should have the difference of the two voltages, and there it is. So there you have the operational amplifier as an adder of voltages. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for coming to my channel, and see you in the next one.